Hi everybody, as you can remember, in the last episode, we finished creating our limo from a Zhiguli. Today, we want to show our creature to the public, but we haven't properly tested our car on a real racetrack and haven't checked its driving performance yet. So we don't want to drive the car around the city. That's why we're going to take it to the city center using a tow truck. After parking our limo at the Palace Square, we decided to take a step back and just watch the people react. We were watching to see how people would react to the car. It was really eye-catching. People started smiling and enjoyed looking at the car. Look at this. What do you think about this car? What is this? It's a limo made out of a Zhiguli. We made it ourselves. Do you like it? It's yellow and so nice. Nobody felt indifferent. Everybody loved the car. Everybody wanted to look at it, find out what type of car it is, and take pictures with it. And considering the fact that St. Petersburg only has 50 sunny days a year, and almost none of them are in winter, this yellow stain just symbolizes vitamin D.
Vamos un baile en las nubes, un bailecito en los clubes. Yeah, esta vaina si está que sube. Vamos un baile en las nubes. Vamos un baile en las nubes, un bailecito en los clubes. Yeah, esta vaina si está que sube. Vamos un baile en las nubes. Yeah, mirándote de arriba te veo por abajo. Aquí con mi cogiba no hay nadie que me esquive. Quiero que invitarte un chivo, que está muy agresivo. El sabor está bueno pero es muy elusivo. Mejor algo más.
Do you like it? I would drive it. I'm so tired of those regular limos. He says he's so tired of regular limos, like the dude has weddings every day. By the way, here are the police. At that moment, our filming at Palace Square ended, so we had to go find another place. We've changed our location because there are a lot more people here. Now we want to experiment. We're going to offer people to ride in our banana. Let's see if anyone is willing to do these weird experiments. Have you ever seen such a thing before in your life? It's cool, isn't it? Wait, I need to take a picture. Awesome. Were you drunk when you were doing it? No, we were completely sober while we were doing it. See? Russians can do cool stuff. Where are you from? Australia. From Australia? Let me show you the inside. The most important thing about the limo is how it looks from the inside. But right now it looks like this. No, you better close the door. Do you want to ride my banana? Oh yeah. Excuse me, we just made a limo. I just wanted to know what you think about it. Nice. Great. Do you want to ride it? Nobody wants to. Everybody likes it, but nobody wants to get in. So people understand that the car hasn't been tested, and they're right about that. Hi, we made this limo. I see you like it. So, I have a question. Can I take a picture? Yeah, of course. Do you want to ride it? Well, I don't even know what to answer. Perhaps no, but the car is awesome. Hey ladies, we're gathering a group of people who want to ride this limo. Of course, beautiful ladies. No. Why? It's ugly. What do you mean it's ugly? You don't like it either? Nope. I mean it's just funny. Hello ladies. Do you want to ride my banana? Such a weird question. I mean limo. We just call it banana. No, but thanks for the offer. Alright, good luck. Nobody. Zero. Nobody even hesitates if they should ride it or not. Everybody says that the car is nice, but riding it? No. My friends, I'm officially making a statement. It's a success. Absolutely everyone was happy looking at this car. Some people took pictures, others started calling their friends, everybody was smiling. It was just amazing. At least a few hundreds of people who were passing by today got their day made. And even though none of them agreed to take a ride with us, it doesn't change the situation at all. The car turned out awesome, and I am totally happy with the results. And in the very next episode, we're going to be testing it. We're going to be testing this car in a real racing condition. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you give a like to our banana. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next episodes. See you next time.